What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am looking quite ravishing today, but I wanted to do another back in the day video while I'm getting ready to go to the gym, go to the doctor's appointment, and a few other errands to run. So the other day I saw my friend Marlo Keenan, I'll link her up there, using the Androgyny palette, and it occurred to me that I don't know that I have ever used it. I think it's brand new. It looks to me like maybe I put a finger in this one, but that's it. And there are beautiful, stunning colors here. And so this is a back in the day palette because this is one of his first palettes, and I've had this for at least 2 years, maybe longer than that. I don't know, but I want to use it. So I'm going to do a back in the day video where I use something from the past, back in the day, and it was a Wednesday. So if you'd like to see my little experimentation with this Androgyny palette, then please keep watching. Alright guys, I am back. Do not mind my crazy hair. It's just all pinned back to be out of my face so that I can see what I'm doing and not have to fight my hair. So let's dig into this Androgyny palette.
So pick up your things, I'll give you one more thing to think about. Leave me empty with those wide open, and I don't know how you wasted my love. Wasted my love, you wasted my love. Yeah, go on, leave, I'm making this a new beginning, and someday you'll be walking all alone and thinking now you wasted this love, you wasted my love. So get up and straight. Take apart and throw away all the models that we painted, all the love that we traded. Get up and straight. Take apart and throw away all the models that we painted, all the love that we traded. Pick up your things, I'll give you everything to think about. Leave me empty, arms wide open, and I don't know why you wasted my love, you wasted my love. So pick up your things, I'll give you everything to think about. Leave me empty, with arms wide open, and I don't know why you wasted my love, you wasted my love. Yeah, go on, leave, I'm making this a new beginning, and someday you'll be walking all alone and thinking how you wasted this love, you wasted my love. I guess it's time to move on to the next best thing, to the next best thing. Channel all of what went wrong in a coming spring, in a coming spring. So pick up your things, I'll give you one more thing to think about. Leave me empty with arms wide open, and I don't know how you wasted my love, you wasted my love. Yeah, go on, leave, I'm making this a new beginning, and someday you'll be walking all alone and thinking how you wasted this love, you wasted my love. Well, I guess it's time to move on. Let the love back in. Let the love back in. I'd never ask you to stay, but I never felt a deeper craving. We agreed we would be So pick up your things, I'll give you one more thing to think about. Leave me empty with arms wide open, and I don't know how you wasted my love. Wasted my love, you wasted my love. Yeah, go on, leave. I'm making this a new beginning, and someday you'll be walking all alone and thinking now you wasted this love. Wasted this love, you wasted my love. So get up and straight. Take apart and throw away all the models that we painted, all the love that we traded. Get up and straight. Take apart and throw away all the models that we painted, all the love that we traded. Pick up your things, I'll give you everything to think about. Leave me empty, arms wide open, and I don't know why you wasted my love. Wasted my love, you wasted my love. So pick up your things, I'll give you everything to think about. Leave me empty, with arms wide open, and I don't know why you wasted my love. Wasted my love, you wasted my love. Yeah, go on, leave. I'm making this a new beginning, and someday you'll be walking all alone and thinking how you wasted this love. Wasted this love, you wasted my love.
Alright guys, I am back. Got my hair done. I got my hair cut a little bit yesterday, so it's looking a little bit better. But I have to get out of here. I'm going to go check out a new gym and go to check out a new doctor. Yay me. So, final look. A little bit more dramatic than probably the gym and the doctor's office calls for, but I wanted to use one of those tealy greens. I wanted to use those rich golds and coppers, and I think it turned out beautiful. I hope you like it too. So thank you so much for being here with me today. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys. Oh, by the way, this is 1995 and Hush Hush. Bye guys.
In spring. So pick up your